Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about regular expressions. So why we are using regular expressions? We can say it is an advanced mechanism for searching, sorting or doing any operation on strings. So it will provide an advanced mechanism. So let's see how we can work with regular expressions. So to work with regular expressions, we have to import RE. So this is our module which will provide the functionality of regular expressions. So let's say I want to print something like re dot. So you have to use re dot search. So search is a method which will scan through the string looking for a match to pattern and return a match object or none if no match was found. So let's say this is I'm using search here and you have to use R for regular expressions, and here you have to pass pattern. So which pattern you want to find out. So let's say I want to know hi, and here I can pass a string. So my string is hi, how are you? And don't worry about flag, we will look it after some time. So now I will run this program so you can see the output. A SRE match object at this. So there is an object which is having hi here. Now let's say if hi is not available, or we can say I want to search hello, then what will the output? So you can see none. So it will return an object if it is present, or if it is not present then it will return none. So this is a feature of using search, and we will work more with search. So there is another method called find all. Let's say I'm having a string, so para, and there is a paragraph, and my para is, let's say, Kapil is a player, and full stop, Kapil is the best, full stop, Kapil is running. So here you can see there are like how many couples I want to count. So I want to return a list, so I can use find all method. I can use in this way, print re regular expressions dot find all, and here I have to pass a pattern. So my pattern is, you have to use R, and inside bracket you have to pass the pattern. So pattern is couple. So I want to find out like how many couples inside the paragraph. So here I'm passing paragraph, and don't worry about it, just remove it. Now if I will run this, you can see there is a list returned by find all method, and there are 3 places couple like this pattern is available. So if let's say I will paste it again and again so that you can be able to know, like if let's say here, so now if I want to find out, so you can see there is a list. So it will returns the list whatever pattern we are matching here. So let's say I want to find out for player. So I will write here player. I need to close it and just see the output. So only one player available. It will returns a list. So this is the work of find all method. Now let's move to the next thing, how search will work. But let's use search on advanced topics. So let's say if I will use in this way, print regular expression re dot search. So this is a method, and here I will pass a pattern. So my pattern will be in this way, R and R dot 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 dot. I have used here 4 dot, and let's say my string is Rohan. So if I will print it, so you can see the output. So this is an object, and which is available, like R is available inside Rohan string, and this is object. So how I can iterate this object? So you can use in this way. Just I will copy. So I will store this object inside a variable, and then I can iterate it. So here I will use a variable called match. So this is not fixed, it can be anything, and here I'm using re.search. So let's see if I will do in this way, print match dot groups. So here group group, and if I will run this program, so you will see the output Rohan. So I'm able to extract the next value if I'm using dot. So how many dot you are using, that number of characters will be printed. So here I'm using 4, so let's say I'm using 2, then O and H will be printed. I'm extracting the next element. So maybe if you are using let's say here, if I will pass something 1 2 3 4, and here I will pass some dot 1 2 3, and you can see now I'm passing here 5 dots. So after R, this element, or I can replace this one also. So I will replace to 1 2. After certain point of characters, I have to extract 1 2 3 4 5 places. Now if I run this program, so you can see the output 1 2 3, and after that 5 dot I have given there. That's what the next 5 elements will be grouped there. So this is the functionality of search using dot operator. So the next topic is, let's say, how we can work with more in regular expressions. So we can create in this way, if re dot search, and here I will create a pattern. So my pattern is, let's say, hi, and my string is here, hi, how are you, and I will remove flag from here. So you can see now, so it will returns an object, and you can print in this way, print data found. So you can use in this way also, and else print data not found. So let's run this program. So you can see the output data found. So here if I will use instead of hi, hello, and here I will close it, and you can see this will return data not found. So in this way you can check in a file as well. So you can open a file, you can try to find out some data if data is available. In this way you can work with the long file, so maybe in MB or GBs. So there it is very useful, regular expressions. So now the next thing is, there are some special characters, so how we can work with them. Let's say there is aware, and I'm using re dot search, and here I will pass the pattern. So my pattern is, let's say, Kapil. After this, let's say this is my pattern, and there is a colon, and then I want the next 3 words or 3 letters. So I have to use /w /w, and then you can pass the string. So let's say my string says Kapil. So this is my pattern, it will match here, and then how are you. Now you will understand what I mean is, so just I will print again from this object var dot group, and if I will run this program, so you will see the output Kapil how. How means 1 2 3, so 3 letters after this pattern we can be able to print. So it is very easy. So let's say if something is matching and I want to print next 2 words, 3 words, or n words, so you can use in this way. So /w/w/w, this is for a string. Let's say if you are having again the same string, here I will pass again Kapil, I am here. Let's say this is another pattern. So here you can see there are 2 patterns, one is Kapil here and Kapil here. So now if I will run this program, so you can see it will take the first one, so it will not go for this one. So if I will use here instead of search, find all, then what will the output? So we cannot use the find all in this way, so it will give an error like attribute error, list object has no attribute group. So if you are using /w, then you have to use search only. So this is a limitation of using search and find all method. So let's use again, once we will check again find all, and Control Z, and I am here using this Kapil. And don't need to use, if you are using find all method, then no need to use a group. So you can directly check here. If you are finding this, then it will create a list and it will return it. So if you are using search, then you have to use group method. If you are using find all, then it will return a list. So in starting itself I told. So in this way you can work, and you can extract the next 4 and n number of 1 2 3 or 4 or n number of characters. So this is the way you can extract it easily. And the next one is plus operator. So what is the meaning of plus operator? So let's see, just understand it. So where equals re regular expressions dot search, and here I will create a pattern with plus. So my pattern is, let's say, k plus. Okay, and here I will pass some string which is having k. So let's say Kapil. Okay, this is my string. Now this is a search, so you have to use group here. So print where dot group. So you can see here I'm able to print k, but it is only one time. So let's say if I will type k in this way, so you can see now I'm able to iterate the whatever k is available here. You can see. So if I'm having here, let's say here also k, oh sorry, it should be inside a string, right? So let's say k, and now let's run the program. So you can see you are able to iterate all patterns. So this is a frequency, so how many frequencies coming, it will print that much. Okay, so you can see here this is the first one, so it will take the first one and it will not consider the second one. Okay, so in this way you can work with plus operators. So in next video we will work with extracting the email. So in next video we will work with the extracting the username and the domain. So let's say let's consider I'm having an email ID. So email ID equals maybe kapil@gmail.com. So I need to find out in this way. Let's say this is a username, so it should be stored in another variable, and this domain should be stored in another variable. So I want to break it out. So these kind of operations we will perform in next video. Thanks for watching.